Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make aloo cheese paratha. Let's take a look at the ingredients and preparations. So first boil the potatoes and grate it. Grate the cheese as well. Finely chop the onion, coriander and green chilies. And also we need to prepare a basic dough. Starting with the potato stuffing, you need to add the grated potato and the cheese. And also the rest of the ingredients like onion, green chilies, garam masala, chaat masala, roasted cumin and coriander powder. Then add salt to it. And mix it well. So our potato stuffing is ready. Now take the roasted dough and knead it again for few minutes. Pinch balls from the dough and flatten it. Dust it with wheat flour. Roll it into a small round and put the potato stuffing on it. Now cover the potato stuffing like this. Dust it with wheat flour and roll it again. Once done, heat the pan and put butter on it and place the rolled paratha on pan. Flip it now and spread some butter again. In this way, fry the paratha on medium to high flame. And our aloo cheese paratha is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you again.